You will need 2 smart cubes from your STEM kit and some water. Put the smart cubes into a medium-sized container. Add water. When you add water, you should see the cubes light up and change colors. This reaction happens when the cubes come into contact with water. There are reactors in the smart cubes. It detects the water and tells the LED lights to power up. When you leave the smart cubes in the water, it will light up to 20 hours. When you take them out of water, they will light up to 5 minutes. Try out different combinations of water levels and water temperatures with these smart cubes.